Hey guys, welcome to my channel Take Rudransi. My name is Gajanan and today I'll teach you phone validation in PHP. This is a PHP tutorial. So before we start to write a code, I want to show you a demo. So when you type any number, it's work globally. It will not work locally. It means you can type any country's number. Suppose this is +91. I'm from India and I'm typing my number like this, and when I search it will show the carrier, location and international format, local format. And let me type another phone number. So this is another carrier company, so this is Reliance Jio, and anything it will be so right like this: valid, local format, international format, local location and country and something like that. So if you have any other countries phone numbers, you can type, it will show country name like this of information. So let's write a project. Let's create a project and write a code to understand phone validation library. And this application I will accomplish by this PHP library, which is library phone number. So I will give a link in the video description, so you can come here and get this one, right? So first thing, we need to create a project, right? So let's create project. So I will go to XAMPP htdoc, and here you can create a new project. So Control Shift N for new folder, and then create a test. Okay, validation something, validate or something, anything you can type it here, and then you have to type it here and open a cmd command prompt like this, and you have to copy this command and hit enter. So it will take a few minutes to install a library, which is library phone numbers. So this is a very nice and useful useful library for validating phone numbers. So we have to wait until it's downloaded. Once you see like this, okay, so once you see like this generating autoload files, it means your library has been successfully installed in your application. So let's check. So you can see composer.json and composer.log, and here is the vendor, right? So these files and folders automatically created when we execute this command, composer command, in a command window. So let me close this one because it's a we have install this library, which is library phone number. Then we need to create an index.php inside index.php, and you can give any name, right? So you have to open in a code editor like this. So guys, I'll teach you step by step. We will not escape any step, so you can understand what I'm teaching you, right? So first we need to make this form, right? This is a form. Guys, before to make these forms, I will teach you in another way. So sorry for disturbance. So first we have to type it here, php, and then include our autoload.php file from vendor. Then we need to copy and paste something which is this from my old project. So these are the classes these are the classes, which is phone number of offline geo geocoder, and this is phone number util, and this is the carrier phone number carrier mapper. So three libraries we have created the object, and the object is phone number util, geocoder, and carrier mapper. And then we have to try and catch block. So let me copy some important codes it here so you can understand. I'm not typing code manually, just I'm copying a copy and paste. So for save the time, right? So here are the try and catch block. So let's understand this one. So here is the, I think it's good. Okay, so try and catch. So this is the phone number util object, and it has method which is the parse, and it takes two parameters which is number and us. So I want to get all the information in English, right? English, UK, US. So just type it US if you are from China, and if you are from Nigerian, there is another method you can search on here. Let me show you. CH is something for another country, right? So US number, and here is the number. So this number is comes from, so let me copy, and you can this way you can get this value from a form. So manually I'm typing it here. I'm not using any form data. We will understand later in a while, right? So this is the phone number, and this phone number will comes here, right? And try and catch, here is the exception, number parse exception, and if it comes any error and it has some problems to switch to get the number, to get the details from the library. If there is a problem, some exceptions, it will show some errors using war dump. Then we have another method which is validated. So this is phone util. I'm working on this class, this object, and is validate, and this is take a object of this one, right, which we have passed in parse the number it here. Then let's echo it, remove, sorry. So valid is valid, it will return integer value, true and false. Sorry, true and false means boolean value. So it will show a true and false. If number is valid, it will show a true, otherwise it will comes false. Then location, it will gives a location of which country's mobile number. So phone util, and then format, and this is the object, and here are the some another parameters. So let me show you. So this is phone number util, this is the library, and this is a class which is phone number format. So I want a national, and this is for international. So likewise both are same, just one thing, national and international, right? So let's remove this one, local format, and whatever a local format is that, it will show it here. And then for international, let's remove this comment, and for international format, for this is the variable I am echoing. And then location is Swiss photo. Okay, geocoder, which is this class, geocoder, and then get description of our number, right, like this. Let me geocoder location, and location is that which this one, location is the country name, right? And description for number, and Swiss number, this is the object of our numbers, and we'll take two parameters, and here are the three parameters with GB, English. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, you can come to here, and you can get the more info for parsing elements and for other countries. But this one is work for globally, right, in a English format. US. So this is a location and this is a carrier. So carrier you can okay, let me echo like this. Okay, just minute. Copy and paste, and this is a carrier. So carrier, it will show carrier, right? So carrier, and you can copy and paste this variable it here, so it will show a carrier, right? So one thing it will also one thing we have one thing it's remain, which is type. It's a mobile or it's mobile it's a mobile or landline, right? So let's run that project, which is the validate. Okay, this one, and you can see valid is one, format is this one, international format is this one, and local location is India, and carrier is Airtel. And but it's not showing it's a type, it's a mobile or landline. So for that we need to switch to a switch and case statement. So let me again copy and paste. Here are the some trick. Let's copy, so let's select, and paste it here. Okay, so fixed line mobile or fixed line. So you can see type is mobile or fixed line. Means some other countries, means US, there is some possibility to match mobile number is same like landline. So the problem is it will not detect 100% it here, right? 70 to 80% chances maybe this is a mobile number and this is a landline, right? So let me type another number it here. 6264572950 something. Save and refresh. So this is a Reliance Jio. Okay, let me zoom in. So Reliance Jio and mobile number. So one thing you have to do, you have to write a form and then get the $_ post. I'm not teaching all the things it here. So you have to make a form. This is your homework. Make a form and get the value it here, and whatever value you will enter like this. You have to make a form, and whatever number you will type it here, this will be so details, because here we have to type manually. We are changing the numbers it here, right? But this library is very useful for validating numbers and know which country's number is this, right? So I thought to teach you because this is a useful library. Sorry. So okay, I didn't teach you this one, switch and case library. So this is phone number util. So now I'm teaching this phone number util, and get the fixed line, mobile number, mobile fixed, or VAN number, emergency, right? So lots of more thing it here. So phone number util and get a number type, and this is the object. So it will return a integer value. So if it returns 0 sorry, if it returns 0, then this is a fixed line, means this is a landline number. And if it returns 1, it's a mobile. And if it returns 2, likewise a mobile fixed line. And likewise 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Different number types, right? So echo, voicemail, 30 for standard rates, right? So like this we can get, right? And simply I'm echoing the values, right? So today just have taught you how to validate numbers, phone numbers, as a free. This is 100% free library. You can also know more about it. I'll give a link in the video description. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, right? And let me know what thing I have to do, right? If any mistakes I'm doing in my videos and in my tutorial, so let me know, I'll fix that. And I appreciate if you comment and your suggestion. um, so I will do like that. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.